the holidays coming to a close and the January blues settling in, it's time for a fresh start. New year, new resolutions, right? As pet parents, it's important to take care of ourselves first, so that we can take care of our pets later. But what about furry family members? We want them to live longer too. That's why here at Pawsitive Pets, we've decided to share 8 New Year's resolutions to help your pet live longer and healthier lives. The new year is a great time for self-reflection, positive change, and fresh starts. Who couldn't use that after the past 2 years we've had? Just like their pet parents, pets can also benefit from starting new, healthy habits. It's safe to say that one thing that has kept many people encouraged during this challenging time is the companion and love of their pets. New Year's resolutions don't have to feel like a slog. Making a change, big or small, to your pet's lifestyle doesn't have to be overwhelming. Even making the tiniest adjustment to your pet's routine now can pay off later. Old habits die hard, but good habits add up over time. With your trusted companion by your side, these resolutions can be a lot of fun to accomplish. Make sure you're meeting the nutritional needs. Every year, lots of folks resolve to consume a healthier diet. Maintaining a nutritious diet is a good plan for your 4-legged family member too. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by all the different products when you're shopping for cat or dog food. Familiarize yourself with your dog or cat's nutritional requirements to find food that's suitable for them. We are here to lend a hand if you're confused about your pet's needs. The new year is the perfect time to perform a pet food audit to evaluate what, when, and how much your pet is eating. This ensures that your pet is eating the proper diet for their age and nutritional requirements. Choosing a diet specifically tailored to your pet's life stage is a great way to keep them in optimal health. Have you walked down a pet store's food aisles lately? The choices of what to feed your pet are seemingly endless, sometimes making time-strapped pet parents just throw up their hands and pull the nearest bag off the shelf. But cats and dogs have very specific nutrition and diet requirements for how much protein, fats, carbohydrates, and calories they need each day. Regular nutritional evaluations are a critical link in the chain of preventative care for pets. Prescription or therapeutic diets are a core part of an overall pet health and preventative care strategy. Measuring your pet's food helps with weight control. We often overfeed our pet. We commonly look at our pet's food bowl versus the amount of food in the bowl, and we will think that the food in the bowl isn't enough. Then our pet may come over and start to beg. The pet may go to another member of the household and act like they haven't been fed yet. So more food is added to the full bowl, or now empty bowl. The best way to control this is by getting a smaller bowl. The size of the bowl should be large enough for your pet to eat comfortably. Have time feedings. This will help with controlling your pet's overeating. If there's more than one person in the house, have a calendar or a checkoff sheet to let the other members of the family know that Fluffy has already been fed at that time. Also, pick up an 8-ounce cup. This can help you know how much is given each feeding. Exercise every day. Spending all day on the sofa is not good for your precious pet. Boost their health and happiness by providing adequate exercise every day. Dogs require regular walks, and they benefit greatly from games like hide and seek and fetch too. Keep your feline friend active by engaging their prey drive with toys. Wands with enticing attachments are a great bet. Putting up a few different cat trees is an excellent way to help cats exercise too. It's maybe the most common New Year's resolution on Earth, losing weight. Just like humans, it's important for pets to maintain a healthy weight. Resolve to spend more time outside playing, walking, and exploring the world, even when the weather is cold. Just make sure your dog is warm enough that you avoid winter dangers, especially salted sidewalks and roads. Plus, it's a good opportunity to socialize and make new furry friends. Pet obesity is mostly attributed to improper feeding habits, overfeeding too many high-calorie treats, and table snacks. Obesity has detrimental effects on the overall health and lifespan of pets, including osteoarthritis, diabetes, dermatological issues affecting skin, hair, and coat. Many of these diseases can be avoided by maintaining a healthy weight. If you've noticed your dog or cat has expanded over the past year, take this opportunity to face the scale and make a New Year's weight loss plan. Consult with your veterinarian to determine the best weight loss regimen for your pet. They can calculate the appropriate amount of calories your pet needs for daily requirements, as well as the percentage of caloric decrease required for weight loss to avoid hunger or losing weight too quickly. We can all pack on pounds during the holiday season, pets included. Exercising is always more fun with our furry friends, so head outdoors with your dog, get your heart rate up, and stay fit. Make your pet's dental health a priority. If one of your New Year's resolutions is to improve your own oral health, why not include your pet as well? Just like you go to the dentist for an annual appointment, your pet should have their teeth examined by veterinarians at least once a year, as oral health is an important factor in their overall health and happiness. If you're a real keener, one of the best resolutions you can make in the new year is to begin an at-home dental care routine. Your mouth and your pet's mouth contain a ton of bacteria. Keeping clean keeps us and our pets healthy. Tartar buildup and gingivitis cause the bacteria that is in your pet's mouth to move throughout their body and can cause many more issues than just bad breath. Many veterinarian diets or approved dental treats can be helpful in keeping your pet's teeth clean. Symptoms of oral health problems include bad breath, yellow or brown crust on the tooth surface, bleeding gums, change in chewing habits, tooth loss, and drooling. If you observe any of these conditions, please make an appointment with a veterinarian as soon as possible. That way, they can relieve any further dental deterioration and get your pet on the right path to a healthy mouth. Schedule a checkup with your vet. Making a yearly examination with your veterinarian is the most important step in keeping your pet happy and healthy. They can also give you some ideas about what you can do to make your pet live healthier. No matter what age or species, your pet should go see the vet at least once a year. It is also mandatory to have a doctor-patient relationship to receive any medications from your veterinarian. Many medical conditions are easier to manage if they are detected early. This is also the best time to ask any questions you may have. Routine wellness care, which includes things like examinations, core and lifestyle vaccinations, and parasite prevention, is important when it comes to warding off disease and keeping your pet healthy. Keeping up with preventative care is a vital component of being a responsible dog or cat owner too. It is never too late to get your feline friend or canine companion's wellness care back on track. Check the chip. Maybe you've recently moved to a new house, changed your phone number, or maybe your pet has lost their ID tag. Now is the time to ensure that your pet has an up-to-date tag and microchip information. It's the best way to ensure a lost pet makes their way home safely. Shelters are able to identify over 70% of pets that enter their doors, as long as they are implanted with a microchip. And one of the main reasons they can't ID the others is because of outdated microchip information. So make sure your pet's microchip info is current and registered, and that they wear other forms of identification on a collar at all times. Conduct a pet toxins in the home audit. It's no secret that pets are inquisitive. However, that same curiosity can be hazardous to their health. The new year is the perfect time to do a quick assessment of the potential pet toxins in your home. How do animals investigate new things? By ingesting them. As a pet parent, you want to keep your furry friends safe and healthy, but your pet's curious nature can sometimes get them into trouble. Common examples of pet toxins in the home include over-the-counter medications, prescription medications, cleaning products, paints and solvents, plants, food including bones, alcohol, essential oils, rodent poisons, antifreeze, and lawn and garden products. Keep in mind that some household products we typically think are safe may pose a risk to your pet. Use some common sense and planning. It can go a long way to prevent dangerous exposure for your cherished furry family member. What to do if your pet is poisoned? Time is crucial for successfully treating accidental poisoning. If your pet is poisoned outside your vet's regular hours, please call the nearest emergency clinic immediately. Please see the description box below for the animal poison control phone number to keep in your contacts. Improve your knowledge of pet first aid. Veterinarians are the experts, but most of us are not lucky enough to have a vet in residence 24/7. Even if you live in a house with other people, odds are that when your dog eats something he shouldn't, or your kitty cuts a paw, you will be home alone and it will be after vet hours. That's why it's so important as a pet parent that you know how to jump to the task to rescue Rex or help Kitty feel better before professional medical help is available. Spend more quality time with pets. Pet owners, plan on making more time for your pets to cuddle, play, and simply bond. Perhaps by binge watching a favorite TV show on the couch together after taking that long walk. Studies show a little extra TLC goes a long way toward health and happiness. From greeting us happily at the door when we get home from work to nuzzling us when we are having a rough day. If pets teach us one thing in life, it's how to love others unconditionally. How amazing would the world be if more people loved the way animals do? With our furry friends being such an important part of our lives, the new year is a great time to commit to making their health and well-being an even bigger priority. What will your New Year's resolutions be? Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to see our next video about the animals we love best.